We're here hanging up a shelf and measuring where we're hanging the next shelf up. And when all done, we can hang our drill, put tools to the side, store a battery on top, flashlights, whatnot on the other shelves, screwdrivers, and more. You can hang drills to the side, drills this way, and multiply your shelf. A place to store your batteries when you need and ready to charge. If you're looking for a tool holder, drill holder that you can simply put in the garage anywhere imaginable, hooks on the side to hang your rope, your extension cords, and more. I hope this product is something that you are looking for. It's very easy to assemble as shown. We're going to install by taking off the bell nuts. We're going to set up the hooks, the drill holders by placing in like so. And then going to place in the bracket by sliding through and aligning the bolts and placing on the bell nuts that are on the shelves themselves. With the supply tool, we're going to tighten down the bell nuts. We have a shelf that's going to go on over here. Place in between and put the bolts in. We have another tray that we have the bell nuts on as well. We're going to take off. We're going to slide over and rest above and place on one of the sliders for the screwdrivers and slot holders. Check out the product if this is right for you.